Is your 2026 EDC setup actually prepared for anything, or is it just dead weight? Most people are still carrying bulky, outdated gear, but today we're revealing 20 next-level EDC items that are redefining everyday carry essentials. From the highly anticipated Leatherman Wave Alpha to ultralight titanium multi-tools and the latest MagnaCut pocket knives, these are the best EDC gadgets that balance professional capability with a dad-ops aesthetic. Whether you're looking for a minimalist wallet, a high-lumen tactical flashlight, or the best pocket knife 2026 has to offer, we've field-tested the toughest gear so you don't have to. Stick around, because item number 7 is a total game-changer for your urban survival kit. Let's dive into the ultimate EDC gear haul. Keep your memory cards safe wherever you go with the JJC memory card case. Essential for photographers and tech enthusiasts, this compact and lightweight case ensures your valuable SD, MSD, and TF cards stay organized and protected. Featuring 12 slots, it holds 8 microSD cards and 4 SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards with EVA foam interior to reduce shock. The water-resistant and anti-shock ABS exterior, snap closure, and molded eyelet keep cards safe from dust, moisture, and accidental drops. Perfect for secure storage and transport. Take control of every shot, on the move or at rest. The Xtra Muse vlogging camera is essential for creators seeking smooth cinematic footage with ease. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4K at 120 frames per second videos, it captures stunning detail. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, fast focusing, and face object tracking keep every frame steady and sharp. With 10-bit X-Log color grading, an intuitive 2-inch touchscreen, and a portable design, it's used to provide professional quality videos, effortless framing, and creative freedom anywhere you go. Take control of every mess at home, in the car, or on the go. The Oxilam handheld vacuum is essential for fast, professional cleaning with minimal effort. Portable cordless 14,000 Pascal high-power suction with 2-in-1 blow, and suction tackles dust, debris, and pet hair in every corner. With up to 30 minutes of runtime, a lightweight design, and a full accessory set including crevice, pet, and brush nozzles, it's used to clean homes, cars, offices, and inflate all your favorite inflatables effortlessly. Handle any task, anywhere, with the Giriaitus Multitool Pry Bar Wrench Tool. Essential for everyday carry, camping, or cycling, this compact gadget combines multiple tools in one. Featuring a flat Phillips screwdriver, a folding multi-tool, a box cutter blade knife, a bottle opener, and a steel handle. It's built from CNC-forged steel for strength and corrosion resistance. Lightweight yet durable, it's used for prying, chiseling, scraping, lifting, pulling, opening boxes, tightening screws, and tackling emergencies, making it the perfect EDC pocket gadget and gift for men. Take control of every muscle at home, in the gym, or on the go. The Renpho Massage Gun is essential for recovery, stress relief, and deep tissue relaxation. With heat and cold heads, 5-speed levels, an LED display, and a high-torque brushless motor, it delivers up to 45 pounds of massage intensity. USB-C charging and a portable carry case make it easy to use anywhere. Lightweight and versatile, it's used to relieve sore muscles, improve circulation, and support fitness or daily wellness routines. Take control of every study session, at home, in class, or on the go. The Newyes AI Pen is essential for students, adults, and readers with dyslexia who want smarter, faster learning. With an AI-powered dictionary, homework checker, real-time chat, photo translation, OCR, and 16 gigabytes of storage, it combines reading, translation, and scanning in one device. Bluetooth connectivity and versatile translation support 112 languages. Lightweight and portable, it's used to read text aloud, translate, scan, and solve problems effortlessly, making learning easier and more interactive. Take control of your workspace at home, in the office, or in the kitchen. The Lisen cell phone stand is essential for comfortable, hands-free phone use and improved posture. With adjustable height and angle, it fits iPhones, iPads, switches, OtterBox cases, and tablets 4 to 10 inches, making it perfect for recording, Zoom, TikTok, or gaming. Anti-slip silicone, a built-in charging hole, and cable management keep your device secure and clutter-free. Sleek, stable, and versatile, it's used to watch, record, or stream with ease while reducing neck and back strain. Take control of every workout, adventure, or daily routine. The Ultimal Apple Watch Ultra Band is essential for men seeking comfort, durability, and style. With their Apple Watch Ultra series, made with ultra-soft TPU and a stainless steel buckle, it fits 49mm, 46mm, 45mm, and 44mm watches and contours naturally to your wrist. High-performance design with ventilation channels and dual bendable connectors ensures flexibility and breathability. Lightweight and resilient, it's used for running, swimming, sleep monitoring, travel, or as a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Take control of every device at home, in the office, or on the go. The Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit is essential for keeping laptops, keyboards, screens, and electronics spotless. This 10-in-1 multifunction PC and electronic cleaner kit includes retractable brushes, a keycap puller, polishing cloths, a metal pen tip, a flocking sponge, and lens cleaner for comprehensive cleaning. Compact and portable, it's used to remove dust, dirt, and stains from iPads, iPhones, cameras, monitors, earbuds, and keyboards, ensuring your devices stay hygienic, streak-free, and fully functional. Take control of every task, at home, outdoors, or on the go. The Tacray Vinto Keychain knife is essential for everyday carry, offering utility without bulk. This ultralight compact multi-tool combines a knife, seatbelt cutter, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and keyring attachment in one portable design. Crafted from 10CR15 Mauve steel with a G10 handle and a secure button lock, it's durable and safe. Lightweight and versatile, it's used for cutting, prying, opening bottles, or handling emergencies during camping, hiking, travel, or daily tasks. Soothe aching knees anytime, anywhere with the Nekteck knee massager. This 3-in-1 cordless heated knee brace provides 360-degree relief with 5 adjustable heat levels and 3 vibration modes: gentle, soothing, or intense, perfect for improving circulation and easing discomfort. Its ergonomic design with adjustable straps fits knees, elbows, or shoulders. Rechargeable and portable, it offers up to 4 hours of warmth, making it ideal for seniors, active users, or anyone needing pain relief. A thoughtful gift for mum or dad. Capture breathtaking aerial views effortlessly with the Kingull GPS drone. Designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, this foldable RC quadcopter under 249 gram features a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable lens for stunning high-resolution images. Equipped with a brushless motor, Follow Me mode, 5G FPV transmission, and GPS auto return, it offers stable flights towards it, long distances, and up to 45 minutes of flight time. Perfect for photography, travel, and outdoor adventure, all in a portable, easy-to-use package. Stay sharp anytime, anywhere. The Manscaped Handyman face shaver is essential for men who want a quick, precise, and safe grooming solution on the go. Featuring dual-action skin-safe foil blades, it trims long hairs and shaves close simultaneously. USB-C rechargeable and waterproof, it provides up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime with a 5-minute quick charge for emergencies. Compact and portable, this electric foil shaver is perfect for travel, touch-ups, or spontaneous events, keeping your face smooth and well-groomed effortlessly. Capture every word with crystal-clear precision. The Godox Virso microphone system is essential for creators who demand reliable, professional audio. Featuring noise-cancelling wireless lapel microphones with a 200-meter range, it ensures interference-free recording across cameras, PCs, and smartphones. With internal recording up to 400 hours, dual charging options, including a built-in battery charging case, and compact portability, Virso keeps you powered anywhere. Perfect for interviews, vlogs, and content creation, it delivers versatile mono, stereo, and safety tracks for flawless, professional-quality sound every time. Stay smooth and confident with the Hohole Bikini Trimmer, a 5-in-1 grooming solution designed for women. This electric shaver comes with 5 replaceable blade heads for facial, nose, leg, underarm, and bikini line hair, tackling every area pain-free. Waterproof design allows safe wet or dry use, while the USB-C rechargeable dock provides quick, convenient charging. Gentle, skin-friendly blades and adjustable combs ensure precise trimming. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, it's perfect for home use, travel, or as a thoughtful gift. Breathe cleaner, healthier air effortlessly. The Afloia humidifier and air purifier is essential for anyone seeking fresher, more comfortable indoor air. This 2-in-1 air purifier and evaporative humidifier quietly removes dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and odors, while adding balanced moisture with mist-free technology. Its 3-stage filter, 3 fan speeds, 8-hour timer, and remote control make operations simple, while 7-color ambient lights create a calming environment. Sleek, top fill, and quiet at just 24 decibels, it's perfect for any room. Stay hydrated on every adventure. The Fiat Cell water bottle holder is essential for hikers, cyclists, runners, and travelers needing quick, secure access to oversized bottles. With an extended 8-inch height, it fits 20 to 34-ounce bottles and attaches firmly to backpack straps with 4-point lockdown security, a top Duraflex hook, and 3 reinforced Velcro straps. Made from ultralight UHMWPE, it's tough yet featherweight, featuring a front elastic mesh pocket and top cinch for extras. Perfect for multi-sport use, it keeps hydration close and hassle-free. Boost bathroom comfort naturally. The bamboo reversible toilet stool is perfect for anyone seeking effective relief from constipation. With 7-inch and 9-inch height adjustments, it suits adults and children, helping transition from sitting to squatting for a more natural, efficient posture. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly bamboo with reinforced ribs, it supports up to 200 pounds. The inclined pedal and layered construction provide comfort, stability, and long-lasting use, making this stool an essential addition for healthier, easier bathroom routines. Light up your late-night reading with ease. The 86 Lux rechargeable book light is perfect for kids and book lovers needing a gentle, eye-friendly glow without disturbing others. Its ultralight bookmark design clips securely onto books, offering 3 color temperatures with stepless dimming and a memory function for a personalized experience. USB-C rechargeable, it provides up to 80 hours of use. Flexible and portable, this clip-on LED reading light is ideal for bedtime, travel, or nighttime study. Keep your toothbrush clean wherever you go. The Mopi Ems toothbrush. Cover is essential for travel, camping, or bathroom use, protecting your brush from dust and water. Its rubber band design keeps the cover securely closed in transit, while side air vents allow fast drainage to prevent water buildup. Made of durable ABS, it fits most manual and electric toothbrushes. Removable and easy to clean, it can also stick to walls for daily use, perfect for hygienic, on-the-go toothbrush storage. That wraps up our list of the top 20 EDC items for 2026. If you want to see the full gear breakdown with links to everything mentioned, check the description below. Which of these everyday carry tools are you adding to your pocket dump this year? Let me know in the comments. We'll respond to as many as we can. If you enjoyed this EDC review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tactical gear and minimalist carry updates. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a new gear haul. Until next time, stay prepared and keep your carry light. See you in the next one.